Ndebe anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ na Ijele alepụrụ anyị gokwanụ Gentle the Yahoo dịka Gentle Yahoo mere vidio unu na-afụ ebe a kịta anụnwa wee na-akpọ Udene afa wee na-asị Udene na sinsi o bidoro ịnụ ọgụ ndị Biafra na ọ kpọnubekwa ya bụ Udene afa n'ihu akwụkwọ anụnwa na-enweburu vidio ya bụ Gentle Yahoo mere wee kpọọ onye a na-akpọ Udene afa na ọ bụrụkwa Udene nke anụnwa ka ọ na-agba afa na Udene nke ọ na-agba afa bụ second to Sapele. Gentle Yahoo wee na-akọwa na second in command na afọ ya bụkwanụ Udene wee na-ajụ Udene nke anụnwa na ọ bụ second in command nọọsụ ahụ o ji wee mecha ya bụ vidio ka Ijele ji wee buru okwu ya bụ Gentle the Yahoo n'isi wee na-achọ onye achọghị ya na-achụgharị onye achụgharịghị ya na tata anụnwa ọ na-agwa ya ife anụnwa na oyi eti ya ọfọ n'isi na ọya agwa ya na onwere aka ji ọfọ ndị Igbo na oyi etinye n'isi Ijele wee bịazie ka ọ repụrụ anyị ya Gentle Yahoo. Unu ya ege ntị ka unu n'ife Ijele kwuru unu mana ụfọdụ vidio Gentle Yahoo mere na-enwere egwu na-agbagasị na ya.
Ifeanyi Eze Okorie nta Gentle, it's obvious you are not marked for living. It's obvious that when it's time for a sick dog to buy, it will walk its two left legs inside the slaughterhouse, or four left legs inside the slaughterhouse. Let me tell you, Ifeanyi Eze, if you notice, if fear no dey my eye, you understand. And I've been calling for this fight. You don't need to lie that I wasn't Udele. There is only one Udele that's against you. Okay? I don't know any other Udele. Now you are changing it to be someone else. It's a lie. Now let me tell you, I don't care who the politicians that are giving you this cover are. I don't care what they are telling you. If you notice from the day you released your voice notes that you were sick, I analyzed it to a T, and everything I said happened. I only shared about your pain because the army were deceived into making such a statement. And as somebody that will always believe the armed forces first, I went on with it without knowing that even the army themselves were fooled by those politicians. And it is because the governor surrounds himself with evil people. So I don't care the game you people think you are playing. It's you and I. It has always been. So I don't know when you caught the truth on your own. I never caught any truth from day one. And the offer still stands. Ifeanyi Eze, give me location. I don't care how many GPMGs you have. I don't care how many boys you will gather around yourself. I know the last thing you will do is one-on-one combat with me. They no born you well. I go by you. Do you want to settle it as men? Fear will not let you. If not, your men one side, me the other side. We do am as men. I go deal with you, which you know. I will seriously deal with you. You never begin wrong. All this your hide mugu. See your shrine. See Christian music. Which one? Ken on there. And Jesus and it say, couldn't know fool because you are a very unstable human being. If I use Okorienta, I am not afraid of you, and I never called off my pursuit of you. I don't know who spoke to you, but yes, I came to Owerri specifically because of people like you. I have no business with your governor. As far as I'm concerned, he's useless in security. I have no business with any politician. I can't trust any law enforcement. In case you don't know, I'm building something against you people. You see this guy, Eddie Afono, maybe you think your politicians or whoever will set me up the way they set it their phone up. No, they tried that one already and failed woefully. They failed woefully. So don't assume that I will hear your words and be shivering. Hey, oh, gentle mentioned my name for you. You are a tozo local bingo. Akuki Igbo. You are Ozu, Mutobo, Mwewu. You still they climb palm tree when men don't they handle iron. You still they learn carpentry work for Aba when men they knock international. Look at where international ni. International. So obuhonwa bingo di kagiga na eyi me we the too small. You are a twat. Your politicians will be telling you whatever they like, oh, but I'm telling you, when my fury is directed at you, when it finally arrives, none of them will be safe. Hagabo, so they would run. My people tracked you the day you went to buy timber. The day where you go buy wood for your Kigwe market inside December. So I've confirmed of your living. In fact, I never even bought it. Like I said, it was when the army announced it that kind of, yes, announced it. Just like every other media house. So it's not as if I was the only person. Now, my deal is this. The same one I gave you before. You better buy yourself because it will be better you were not born than these hands getting to you first. And the day it will happen, I go start with all those politicians where they back you up. The moment you see them falling as flies, know that your end is near. So here na Koheri. The last time you mentioned my name, wait for part 2. This time around, you won't escape it.